Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on preparing update and beta iOS updates. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to install beta updates on your iPhone, but you're facing the issue that your beta updates has been stuck on preparing update, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you have to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your plane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general and go to VPN device management. Just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to software update and you have to note the download or update size from here. Then go back, go to iPhone storage and just try to free 5 or 10 GB more than your update size. So once you have done, just tap on this search option and simply search for iOS. You will get your previous downloaded update. So if it had downloaded, it might be a bit file. You just have to try to delete that from here. So once you have deleted your previous download, your download will be stopped or it will restart once you want. So you just have to simply go back before you restart. I recommend you have to try to reset your network settings or to restart your iPhone. So I'm gonna restart my iPhone here. Just try to make a force restart. How to do this? Just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes really black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and here you have to go to your settings. Very first, try to connect with a stable and strongest network connection. Once you have connected, you go back, go to general, go to software update. I recommend you have to retry to check your iPhone storage. So note your download size or update size from here. Go to iPhone storage and try to free up to 5 to 10 GB free more than your update size. Then go back, go to software update and restart your download or your update. So once you have restarted, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.